Hi everyone, my name is Kate, and I'm going to be completing my field placement at a high school in Philadelphia under a guidance counselor. I'm going for my homeschool visitor certification also through Widener, which is essentially the school social work certification. So it was a requirement for me to complete my field placement at a school under an MSW as well as an HSV. I'm really excited. This is something I have always known that I wanted to do. I love the school environment. It's something I'm passionate about. I've just never really been able to get into the schools professionally as a social worker. So that's something I'm really hoping to get out of my placement there, is to get the experience needed to hopefully move on to be a school social worker. I have been an advocate for clients. I was a family-based therapist. I often had to go in and advocate for my clients for IEPs and 504 plans, as well as when I was a mental health case manager. So I've been on the other side working with schools, but I've never been on the side of the school, which is where I really am hoping to be. So I expect this field experience to be different than my generalization placement, which was at a crisis center, and I was doing crisis calls at a hotline and going out into the field and meeting with crisis situations and individuals that had a high need, which is actually something I'm more used to than working in a school and working at that institution. I'm more used to kind of the crisis and making sure of what I'm going to do to problem solve. Not that the crisis does not happen in schools, it definitely does, but it's going to be different this placement because I'm going into it with, frankly, not a lot of knowledge, where the last one I went in with some knowledge. I gained a lot, but did already have some knowledge of the systems. So I'm really excited. I hope everybody has a great time and a great placement, and I'm going to enjoy working with you. Thanks.